The Lord God said, "It is not good that the man should be alone. I will make him a helper fit for him." Kung isipin nyo, this is a beautiful thing and they can get used to this. But in another sense, marriage should always be profound, amazing, and wonderful.
Love comes in the right time, and in God's perfect timing, you came. He blessed me with one of the greatest gifts that I could ever have in this life, you as my lifetime partner. Today, I am just so honored and grateful to be married to the most beautiful human being I met. My bestest half, the love of my life, my forever, my Mr. Hans Garpo ng Bayan Toros, my husband. I love you.
Inis. Hindi ako mahilig mangako, hindi dahil sa mapapako. Simula ngayon hanggang pagtanda, palagi sa iyong tabi, aking mahal na asawa. Mamahalin ka palagi at ng buong buo. At kung dumating ang araw na tayo mag-away, lagi kong ipapaalala na ikaw ay aking kabiyak, liwanag at gabay. Nabigay ng poong Diyos bilang aking kaagapay. I love you, Eunice.
vow to be a good steward in everything the Lord will give us. I vow to always be with you and never leave you. And each waking day of my life, regardless of the circumstances, I will always choose to love you.